Introducing AEA Pharmaceutical. Are you a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility based out of India or Southeast Asia, or are you planning to run a new one in the future? Is regulatory compliance, quality assurance, or increasing operational efficiency a significant aspect of your day-to-day responsibility? It may be best if you have digitalization solutions to help unlock the potential productivity of your business. However, such solutions are not put in place yet because manufacturers are unaware of various digital technologies available and how those can help their business. They are just starting the commercialization of their product and can't justify further capital expenditure. They have no production-grade IT infrastructure locally and want to concentrate on their core business instead of dealing with countless IT tasks. Their future production volume is unknown, or the production site is too small. AEA Pharmaceutical is your digitalization partner. We ensure that you can concentrate on your life sciences products while leaving the IT infrastructure to us. We transform your paper-based processes into digitalized processes by implementing the right fit IT systems for enterprise resource planning, manufacturing execution system, lab management system, and deviation management system. We help create automations which leverage your underlying IT infrastructure to automate routine tasks like batch report creation, goods receipt process, supplier communication, and environmental monitoring. How do we do that? Our software consultants identify your digitalization potential and rapidly implement the digitalization solutions based on your business needs independent of your facility size and location. With AEA Pharmaceutical, you can concentrate on your life sciences products while we digitalize your data, processes, and operations. For a free consultation on how we can help you, talk to our consultant on the details provided.